Okay guys, there's a tech news lang naman, no. This is a Facebook news update. Na-notice namin na ang aming news feed sa front page, ang aming Facebook profile is nawala yung mga post natin. Hindi tayo makapag-back read, hindi ko makita yung mga post natin. Only way to do is the activity lang, pero nagloloko din. So gagawin ko na lang is I'll go to kung picture yung post ko, I'll go to my photo album para makapag-back read. Pero as of now, the news feed is may bugs. Maybe si Facebook may ginagawang update. So it's already around 15 minutes na yung error nito ni Facebook. So medyo nakaka-worry, no. Pero hindi pa naman nabura yung mga buong post natin, no. Parang siguro mayroon lang silang error. They're trying to fix it. So as of now, Facebook may bug ngayon. You cannot view your front page sa inyong profile at hindi kayo makakapag-backread sa sarili ninyong post. So yun, abangan natin yung mga news update.